Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an awesome way to earn money online using a platform called Bitcotask. If you've been searching for a simple way to make some extra cash, then you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through exactly how Bitcotask works, how you can start making money right away, and some tips to maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. So first, let's talk about what Bitcotask actually is. Bitcotask is a platform that connects people who needs tasks done with individuals like you and me who are ready to complete those tasks for payment. It's simple, efficient, and anyone can join. As you can see, whether you're looking for something to do in your spare time or if you're serious about earning a full-time income online, Bitcotask can help you get started. Now, let's break down how Bitcotask works. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up. Sign up for a free account on their website. Okay, once you are registered, you will gain access to a wide range of tasks that you can complete for payment. These tasks vary in nature, from simple data entry, taking surveys, watching videos, to more complex tasks like content writing or social media management. As you can see here, after logging in, you can browse through available tasks, check out their payment rates, and choose the ones you're interested in. You can filter tasks by category or payment amount, making making it easier to find the right ones for your skills and schedule. Okay, guys, we are going to dive in Bitcoin to see what you are what you have to do like task to earn money. One of the best things about Bitcotask is the variety of tasks available. Surveys, watch videos, write articles. If you enjoy quick, easy jobs, there are plenty of options like completing surveys, testing apps, or watching ads, watching video, etc. But if you are looking for something that pays more, you can also find freelance tasks like content writing, graphic design, or even social media management. The key here is that there's something for everyone, regardless of your skill set. Um, I will make a next video to compare Bitcotax and Fiverr or Upwork or Times Bucks, because the variety of Bitcotax make it very interesting. Okay, so do you actually start earning? It's super simple. Let's walk through the process. First, after signing, choose the task that catches your eye. For example, let's say we select a quick survey task, click on it, and you will see instruction on how to complete it. Once you are done, submit the task and you will be credited with the payment. That's it. That's simple, guys. Okay, that's very simple. Once you completed the task, you will receive your payment directly to your account. The payments can be made through several methods like PayPal, direct bank transfer, or even cryptocurrencies also. It's that easy. Very easy like the others platforms. Now, here are a few pro tips to help you maximize your earning on Bitcotask. First, choose tasks with higher payments. That's the secret, guys. Choose tasks with higher payments. If you have a bit of time and you are looking to make more money, try to focus on tasks that require more efforts by pay higher. Content writing, data analysis, and graphic design often come with better rates. Secondly, stay consistent, guys. Consistency is the key. Completing multiple tasks each day can add up to a decent amount of income over time. Um, and then improve your skills. Improve your skills is the next steps. If you're looking to earn more, consider improving your skills. Okay, there are higher paying tasks available for people who specialize in certain areas like web design or programming. For the step 4, refer friends to Bitcotask. Bitcotask has a referral program. You can earn extra money by referring friends to the platform. The more people you refer, the more you can earn passively. Once you've completed your tasks, you might be wondering how to get paid. Bitcotask offers multiple payout methods like PayPal, bank transfer, and even cryptocurrencies. It's super flexible, so you can choose the method that works best for you. So, if you're looking for an easy and reliable way to earn money online at home, Bitcotask like CoinPayu, Coin Faucet, okay. Um, it- but Bitcotask is definitely worth checking out. It's free to join. You have to pay nothing, and there's no limit to how much you can make. It's depend of your time. If you have a bit of time, you can try to earn more money. So why not get started today? Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I will happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.